My name is PJ Judd, and I'm a family law attorney over here at Arizona Law Group. I grew up in Orem, Utah, and what I liked most about living there was, my proximity to my extended family, as well as the opportunities to be outdoors. There's a lot of stuff out there. I enjoyed snowboarding, wakeboarding, and off-roading. I kind of fell into a career in law. When I left high school, I had no idea what I was going to do. And so I started taking classes over at the community college and later at University of Utah. And before long, I was fairly close to a degree in political science and a minor in psychology. So at that time, I was sick of school and decided I'd just graduate with those. And it was in the period after I graduated, a few members of my family approached me and say, make a good lawyer. I wasn't busy with anything else, so I decided I'd prep for the LSAT and see if I could get into law school, and things went well, so I went for it. I ended up at Arizona Law Group because a colleague approached me, and she'd recently been interviewed, and when she described the firm, the culture seemed like a perfect fit for me, and so I begged her to put in a good word for me, and then I got the call. I was very excited, and now I'm here. The most rewarding part of the practice of family law has been the opportunity to do good and make an impact to be in someone's life. I've represented clients in a number of cases where there were serious injustices taking place, and I was able to make a difference, not only in the lives of my client, but the lives of their children as well. There are lots of cases that have made impacts in my career. There are some that I've been very proud to be a part of. There have been many that I've been able to learn from. An old colleague of mine said that they call it practice of law because nobody ever gets it perfect, and there's always more to learn. And I've learned a lot, not only from my colleagues, but also from observing attorneys on the other side. The thing I like most about my job is also what I believe sets me apart from many of the other family law practitioners out there. I like making sure that my client understands what's going on, the law behind it, the policies and purposes behind the law, how the facts of their case apply in that instance, and what their options are. I've had many clients who have come to me from other practitioners who have commented on the difference and how much better informed they felt with my representation. And recognizing that as one of my strengths has encouraged me to take pride in that and strive even more to make sure that my clients know exactly what is taking place in their case and where to go. I'm a family man, and I never miss a chance to spend time with my wife and kids. And without my suit on, I don't think anybody would ever suspect me of being a lawyer. Most days I'm in work clothes, building stuff. I recently picked up welding. I love doing that. I'm in the middle of building a Jeep that doesn't look very much like a Jeep right now, but it's moving in the right direction. And other than that, I like the outdoors. I'm usually the oldest guy at the skate park, and I really enjoy playing on the water. wakeboarding, wake surfing, anything like that. I know missed an opportunity to do that. I love music. I grew up taking piano lessons, but it kind of burned out because, at the age of 16, sports and other things going on in high school sort of took priority over musical training. But I don't even remember why I set a New Year's resolution, but when I was 21, I set a New Year's resolution to learn how to play the drums, and within a couple of years, I was drumming for a band.